Marine Crescent is an old residential area in the southeastern part of Singapore. Known for its coastal and beachfront areas, it has attracted residents and visitors of all ages to reside in this area. Today I'm going to show you a 3-room HDB apartment, approximately 700 square feet. It has a living and dining, 2 bedrooms, a kitchen, and a separate WC and bathroom. Before the renovation, this apartment was in a bad shape with rough walls and ceiling and have not been well maintained throughout the years. Moreover, the previous owner has kept its original layout. So the first thing I did was to demolish the walls segregating all the areas. I also removed the wall between the kitchen and bathroom so as to fit in a new vanity and bathroom entrance. And finally, the wall between the WC and bathroom was removed to have access to these 2 areas. An entrance foyer was carved out and the living is shifted into the former common bedroom. The master bedroom has also been enlarged to accommodate a curved table and more wardrobe spaces. A vanity cabinet and mirror has also been added inside the now combined bathroom. As the door opens, a duo of full-height storage cabinets stand proudly. The lower section of the cabinet allows my client to stow away all her suitcases whenever she returns from her flights as a crew. The kitchen cabinet has been neatly tucked against one side of the kitchen, hence enlarging the kitchen entrance. An entire row of wall-mounted and base cabinets offer plenty of storages my client needs. At the living area, the suspended TV console has been integrated with the full-height pantry cabinet. Thus becomes a canvas of contemporary living where aesthetics and functionality dance in perfect harmony. The dining table is tucked against the peninsular counter as this allows for a seamless transition from the dining area to the open kitchen. At the master bedroom entrance, a flush-fitted door emerges as a functional passageway to the master bedroom. As the door opens, a curved study table with a flip-up mirror greets you. This unique addition not only captures attention, but sets the tone for a space that seamlessly blends functionality with aesthetic allure. At the sleeping area, a low-height headboard with a niche allows a queen-size bed to lean against, ensuring restful sleep. If you want to see more of this project, please click on the link down below in the description box. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you soon in my next video.